Hey everyone, welcome to week 15 in media writing. This week we're going to be doing a writer's workshop. This is typically something I would have preferred to do in person, but you know, it is what it is. So what this is a chance for you to get some constructive criticism from your peers. People in your class are going to read your script and give you their feedback, both positive and negative. This is going to be done completely anonymously. You won't know who wrote the script you're reading, and they won't know who gave them the feedback. Hopefully this will loosen you up a little bit to be more honest with your critique. In the past, everyone has known who everybody was, and people were kind of sugarcoating their responses a little bit, and that wasn't helping anyone because people aren't going to become better writers if they can't get honest feedback. I'm going to be breaking you guys into groups so you don't have to read 30 scripts. I feel like that's a lot to put on you. I want to make sure you're giving attention to a small amount of scripts and giving them the feedback they deserve. I feel like this is an easy project for you to get 100 on as long as you read the directions, pay attention to the details, and hit your word count. Lastly, in theory, you've already received feedback from me on the first draft of your script. If you'd like to write another draft and submit that for the workshop for your peers to critique, just let me know. I'll make sure that happens. All right, that's all I got. I hope you enjoy the writer's workshop.